How to download TikTok videos without watermark on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download TikTok videos without watermark on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Downloading TikTok videos without a watermark on Android can be done through several methods. The first is simply using third-party apps. There are several apps available on the Google Play Store that allow you to download TikTok videos without a watermark. For that, you have to launch Play Store and then tap the search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top of the screen. Using the search bar, you can see or type in popular apps like SnapTik, TikMate, or video downloader for TikTok, and then there you can easily share the copied link, and then when you paste it, you can easily download without watermark. The second step is simply you can use the browsers in order to download TikTok videos without watermark. For that, launch TikTok application. Select the video that you want to download. Tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you need to choose the option for copy link. Tap on the more icon and then tap copy. Exit from the section and then open any kind of browser on your device. Now you can tap on the search bar and then you have to visit the SnapTik.app website, or you can also go to musicallydown.com and there you can paste the link in the input field. Tap download and the video will be downloaded to your device without a watermark. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.